Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. I built the LEGO City Sailboat. There's the sailboat. And we got a little dolphin to go with it. It's only 102 pieces because there's but big giant hull is one piece. There's 2 minifigures. And let's go put it in the city. I got kind of a marina. It's going to be a little walk to get back there because I got to go all the way behind the city. Ooh, let's watch a boat go. Hey, it's flying boat. So there, we put it in the city. Oh, dolphin fell. I don't know what I'm going to do with the dolphin. I don't know if I'm going to put him there or if I'm going to put some other dolphins I have, but there's my marina. I got the police and the fire boats and a cabin houseboat and a speedboat and now my new sailboat and a bat and a penguin, and there's some people loading some other boats in the marina. And you come through the water, it's like there's a lot of people out in the water. And as I said, I might put the dolphin with the other dolphins. But right now, there it is. My sailboat in the marina. So please like and subscribe. Thank you very much from Chuck's Bricks.